Hello everyone, welcome to Siggy Cooks. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I've shared how to prepare instant lime pickle in a new method which my mom learned from her 80-year-old neighbor who has decades of experience making this pickle. So definitely, this recipe can't go wrong. Store-bought pickles have excess salt and full of preservatives, so it is always better to have pickles homemade. So come along as I share all the tips and tricks to make a super tasty homemade pickle which also stays good for months. I've taken 5 medium-sized lime. You can use any variety, yellow or green lime. Make sure you choose tender and soft lime. Wipe them clean with a kitchen tissue and place them in a pressure cooker. Add around 1 to 2 cups of water. Close and pressure cook for 2 whistles in high flame. Then take them aside and let the air release by itself. I've taken 2-inch long ginger. Remove the skin, slice them and then chop them into small bite-sized pieces. Using ginger is optional. If you prefer, you can also add some garlic and chilies in this pickle. Now, after the pressure is released, take the cooked lemon out in a mixing bowl. All the bitterness from the lime goes into this cooked water, so you can discard this water. So this is one trick to avoid bitterness in lime pickle. Now, cut the cooked lime into half. Be careful, it will be very hot inside. Also, do not cut the lime in your chopping board or kitchen tiles. The acid from the lime will leave a white residue on the surface. Use a kitchen scissors to cut the half lime into small pieces. It is good to cut them directly onto the mixing bowl so it is easy to collect all the lime juices coming out. Now to the cut limes, add chopped ginger, half teaspoon turmeric powder, chili powder 1 teaspoon or as required, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon hing, 3/4 teaspoon roasted fenugreek seed powder, and required amount of rock salt. Now mix them evenly and let it marinate for some time. In a small saucepan, add 4 tablespoons sesame oil. After the oil turns smoking hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Allow the mustard seeds to crackle really well. This will enhance the taste of the pickle. Now add the marinated lime. Mix well for 1 to 2 minutes. While the lime is cooking, heat 2 cups of water and let it come to a rolling boil. Now add the hot boiling water to the cooked lime. Please do not add plain cold water. The water has to be boiling hot. Allow the pickle to boil for 2 more minutes. Now you can take the cooked lime pickle out in a storing bowl. It is always best to store pickle in a porcelain jar. If not, you can use a glass jar. Please do not store pickle in stainless steel containers. The pickle should have a thin consistency like this because as the lime keeps pickling, it will absorb all the pickle liquid, which also helps to tenderize and soften the lime. If you use very less amount of hot water, the pickle will become very dry after few days. Also, the lime will not become soft and tender. So, you can increase the amount of hot water used in this recipe depending on the amount of pickle masala you want. After the pickle comes to room temperature, close and keep undisturbed in a kitchen corner for at least 3 to 5 days. And remember to mix them at least once every day. And one more tip, Do not use stainless steel spoon for any kind of pickle. It is best to use wooden spoon. If not, you can use a plastic spoon. As you can see, as the lime keeps pickling, the pickle masala becomes thick and comes to the right consistency. The lime will also become tender and soft. You can refrigerate this pickle after 1 week and it stays good for many months. I hope you give this method of lime pickle a try, and if you do, please share your feedbacks and comments on how you liked it. Thanks for watching my video so far. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.